Would you like to feel better? This health hack I'm about to show you about magnesium could change your health. Allow me to explain. If you're out there and you've tried magnesium, you've tried magnesium glycinate, magnesium 𝗟𝗟, magnesium citrate, magnesium threonate, but guess what? They've all been in capsule form. Allow me to explain. Most people, when they take magnesium, they take it in capsules. You might take it in the morning, you might take it at night. The hack to this is you actually want to sip the magnesium. You want to have a magnesium powder, such as this. This is a magnesium powder. You can see that? That's magnesium. And the special hack to this, it's in a powder. So here's the protocol, really simple. You get a 64-ounce bottle of water. You put 1 scoop of the magnesium in there. You sip that the whole entire day. Now, if you're fine with that, then the next day you put 2 scoops in there and you sip that the whole entire day. I call this the magnesium IV drip. Why? Because you're sipping this the whole entire day. Magnesium is needed in over 400 enzymatic reactions in your body. So instead of just taking magnesium in the morning, you're going to sip this the whole entire day, providing your body with a drip, just like an IV drip, magnesium throughout your whole entire body. And this could revolutionize your condition. If you've liked this video, please comment, like, and share with someone that needs some help.